Hello. Hmm? Daddy's extension cord needs to be moved. Okay. Watch out.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby. Oh, here. You can play with this.
Oh, got you.
You're welcome.
No.
Sitting down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brother just had that, baby. Okay? You find something else. No. He's playing with that, Aiden. Here. You can use this as a plate. And you can have the bucket. And whatever this thing is.
Bucket.
I don't know what it's part of.
Wait.
But it's to attach
Bucket.
stuff to like
Mama.
your pants.
Mama.
Or you could attach it to this. Look.
Mama.
There you go. Well, baby.
Mama.
Bucket, please. Here you go.
Oh, got you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I love you guys.
Yeah.
I love you.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
A stick.
Your stick fell down? I got it.
Got you.
You're welcome.